What if I tell you na inaalaw minsan ni Lord sa buhay natin yung pagkatalo, pagkawala ng hope at ng strength, pagkahulog sa temptation at kasalanan, pagiging failure at iba't ibang uri ng struggle so that we may be able to realize that we really need Him? What if I tell you that along the way and after all these years, God was and still fighting for you behind the scenes? I'm not just telling you, but I'm reminding you, my dear. Most of the time, nadadala tayo ng current emotions at situations na kinaroroonan natin that causes us not to see God's purpose kung bakit ngayon ginagawa. Pero somehow, hindi naman natin kailangan malaman yun lahat. Knowing that there is someone na lumalaban para sa atin is more than enough. God is only asking us for one thing: be still. Kung dumating man yung panahon na sobrang bigat na ang puso mo at sunod-sunod na bagyo na yung hinaharap mo, be still. Kumalma ka lang and say, Lord, this is your battle. I can't do it on my own. I have enough. Please fight for me and let my heart be still and know that you are God.